Hello children, good morning. I am back again. This is Theresa teacher. So I'm here to teach you something in maths. So in previous class, we have explained you about ascending order, right? So quickly tell me, what is ascending order? Yes, when we arrange the numbers from the smallest to the greatest is known as ascending order. I think you all know that, right? Great. So today I'm going to teach you the opposite, that is descending order. Well, descending order is when we arrange the numbers from the greatest to the smallest is known as descending order. It's just opposite of ascending order. So, shall we repeat it once again? Come on. When we arrange the numbers from the greatest to the smallest is known as descending order. Wow, wasn't that easy? Right. So, quickly, let's see some examples of descending order. Right? Can you tell me what is this, children? This is a ladder and numbers are written on each step. That's from 1 to 10. And look who's here. This is Danny. Now Danny wants to climb up this ladder to search for a storybook which is right on top of the shelf. So she needs to climb this ladder. So she goes to step number 1 and then she goes to step number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and then she comes to step number 10 and there she found the book which is right on top of the shelf. So as we are moving up, the numbers are increasing. That is ascending order. Yes or no, children? Right. So now Danny is on the step number 10. And now she has to come down to step number 1. So she comes down to step number 9. Look here. Now which brings her to the lower level than the step number 10. So then she comes to step number 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and final to step number 1. Did you observe, children, that she has to come down each step? She is descending or moving to a smaller number than the previous number. So thus we can say that when the numbers are arranged from greatest to the smallest, they are decreasing, or we can say it is descending order. Okay, children? So now let's begin with the second example. Children, I've got some fruits in the basket. So let's remove one by one and see what we have. Okay, so first let me remove this. It's a watermelon, right? And next, can you tell me what's this? Chiku, right? And next, it's a pear. Next comes, can you tell me what's this? Cherry, you're right. And next, what is this? It's an apple. So now you know why these fruits are here. We need to arrange these fruits in descending order according to its size. So do you know what is descending order? From biggest to the smallest. So quickly tell me which is the biggest fruit here. Yes, it's a watermelon. So watermelon is in the first place. So quickly tell me which is the second place over here. Chiku? Cherry? Is it an apple? Right. Apple is in the second place. Next comes Chiku? No? So is it cherry? A pear, right. Next comes a pear. And next, can you tell me which is the fourth place? Chiku, right. Chiku takes the fourth place. And the last we have got, the smallest one is the cherry. So now we have arranged these fruits in descending order. See? Greatest to the smallest. Right, children? Let's do some number examples. Are you ready, children? Right. So let's read out this heading. Descending order. Well, remember, children, descending. D means down. That is largest to the smallest number. So let's read out these numbers. 3, 1, 6 and 4. So let's take the help of the number line. Okay. So let's look at the greatest number. So do we have number 9? No. Number 8? No. Number 7? No. Do we have number 6? Yes, the greatest number here in this number line is number 6. Right. So I'm going to place number 6 in the first place. Okay. Do we have number 5? No. Number 4? Yes, we have number 4 and we're going to put number 4 in the second place. Okay, so do we have number 3? Right, we have number 3. And what is the last number? Do we have number 2? No. Do we have number 1? Right, the smallest number is number 1. So we have arranged these numbers in descending order. That is the biggest to the smallest number. Okay, children. So let's read out these numbers. 3, 0, 8 and 2. Now we have to arrange them in descending order. So we have to find the greatest number. So you can take the help of the number line. So quickly tell me which is the greatest number here. Yes, it is number 8. Right, children. So I'm going to place number 8. Right. So now we're going to close this number. Now can you tell me which is the next number? Yes, it is number 3. So we're going to place number 3 here. So now I'm going to close number 8 and 3. So how many numbers are left? 0 and 2. So can you tell me which is the greatest number in these two? Yes, it is number 2. And which is the smallest number? Number 0. Right. So we have arranged these numbers in descending order from the greatest to the smallest number. Let's read out these numbers. 6, 4, 9 and 5. So now we have to look at the greatest number. If you want, you can take the help of the number line. But Theresa teacher know which is the greatest number. Yes, it is number 9. So I'm going to place number 9 in the first place. So I'm going to hide this number. Now I'm going to look at the second number. Now which is the greatest number here? Yes, it is number 6. Okay, so we're going to hide these two numbers and we have to see 4 and 5. Can you tell me which is the greatest number in these two? Yes, it is number 5. And what is the last number left? It is number 4. So now we have arranged these numbers from greatest to the smallest. Right, children? So we have learnt with 1-digit numbers how to arrange in descending order. So keep practicing regularly. I'll be back soon with 2-digit numbers in the next video. Until then, you take care and bye-bye children.